Hello beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be listing the makeup products you need as a beginner. This video will be beneficial to you more if you're just starting your makeup journey, okay, and you don't know what to get. I will be listing them in this video. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Pamela. I always say stay subscribed to my channel, we have a good time. Yes. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive straight into the video. I know there are a lot of things in the market that you think that is it this makeup thing I just want to start as a beginner? I'm seeing all these many things. No, I'm going to be listing the essential things you need for your makeup. And just note that some things, one thing with makeup, you can switch things. Your what's it called? Your blush can turn to your lipstick. So I'll just be telling you the essential things you need, right? So first thing first, I'll be starting from skin prep to the finishing, okay? So you need wipes to clean your skin properly, okay? Before you do any of your makeup, before you apply anything on your face, you need to clean your skin. If you don't have wipes, you can get a micellar water and a cotton pad to use to cleanse your face properly, okay? The next thing you'll be needing is moisturizer. You need a good moisturizer, okay? I'm not coming here to recommend or do this. These ones are affordable. The ones you don't even go to break banks to buy. In fact, as a beginner, let me state this now. Your best friend should be drugstore products. Don't just go and be placing your hands where you've not reached. You want to start buying high-end products. To use on who? So, spend wisely. These ones are good. Okay? After that, you need a good primer. This primer is a legal primer and is a hydrating primer. So, first thing first, you need to know your skin. If you have oily skin or dry skin, just note, if you have a dry skin, just always use your hydrating primer. But if you have oil combination skin, how will I put it? You have oily, you have dry skin, just be using the two. Okay? If you also have oily skin, use the two. But just note that this primer, hydrating primer, goes in first before mattifying primer, right? So guys, I forgot to tell you where the moisturizer is from. It's from Cosmetics, okay? Then after that, the next thing you should do is get a foundation, a good foundation. There are many foundations that are good. Nigerian products, Nigerian brands, very good. Just know the one that matches your skin tone and undertone. If you don't know what is skin tone and undertone, you can go back to my video. I'll link it in this particular video so that you can just go and watch it to know how to select foundation for your shade. Okay, but this foundation are from Avoa. Okay, I have L'Oreal too. They are good brand, Nigerian brand products that you can lay your hands on, okay, as a beginner. Next up is concealer. If you have any concealer, fine. These ones are from LA Girl, okay? That is that. Just note, these are the essential products you need, though. So you don't just go out and start buying kini. Another thing I'll talk about is lip palettes. I advise every beginner, if you want to get something, get it in palettes. It will be more beneficial to you. See this lip palette? I use it also for my cream blush. Okay? So that's why I said you can switch things. You don't really need to buy a separate cream blush, a separate this. Unless you're a professional. Else you're a professional makeup artist. Okay? That's where you'll be needing all those things. But if you're not, get yourself a good palette that has different colors. And it will work for you, for your blush or for your lipstick. Next up is powder. The same thing goes for powder. Get it in a palette. This powder, you can use it for around your face. And when you want to apply your powder contour, you go ahead and apply it. Okay? Use a darker shade from that your powder palette for your contour, powder contour. That is why I always encourage get a palette as a beginner. It will save you some stress and some expenses. Next, our advice will be an eyeshadow palette. Get yourself an eyeshadow palette that has a transition color, a matte color, and shimmer color to save you a lot. So, advice, get anything you are getting, get it in palette. It will go a long way for you. Then you need a setting powder. So just get yourself a setting powder that matches your skin tone. Okay, that will be better for this is Sacha butter. I do mix it with this L'Oreal to get my own shade. Okay, so just note that. And I forgot to say, for your cream contour, if you're somebody that like doing cream contour, you can get a foundation that is a bit darker than your main actual shade of foundation. Do you get it? Next, you need a powder blush. This is from Bicham Ageless. See how it is. If you cannot lay your hands on, what's it called, powder blush, you can still use your eyeshadow palettes from here to do your powder blush. Okay, that is why I said get yourself a matte palette that is complete. It has shimmer, transition colors, mattes. You are good to go. For your eyeshadow base, to keep your eyeshadow in place so it doesn't move, if you cannot get yourself an eyeshadow primer, you can use your concealer for it to as your base. Okay, that's why I always say you can switch things. That's one thing with makeup. You can just have your way, play around with things, and you see that it works. Okay, yeah. You can equally use that the same powder you use for setting for your baking. You don't need to just go about buying products, different things for your setting and for baking. That powder you use for setting, you can equally use it for baking. You get that, okay? Next, you need an, what's it called, eyeliner. Yes, okay. Then you need mascara too. You need to get yourself a good pencil. Chatter it as many as you can. Pencil is not that costly. Buy pencil. Then lashes glue. If you can lay your hands on this, get. If you lay your hands on this, get. Or any brand that is good, get. So most of the time, if I don't want to use my liquid eyeliner, where's the eyeliner? Sorry. If I don't want to use this liquid eyeliner, I normally go to my palette, eyeshadow palette, scoop out a black eyeshadow, then go in with my setting spray in it, then use it to draw my eyeliner. If you are okay with that, if you can do it, fine. But if you cannot do it, don't worry. Get yourself an eyeliner to go a long way for you. Then the last thing I will mention, if I'm not mistaken, should be the setting spray, finishing spray, whatever. Get yourself. This is from Zikel. The eyeshadow palette is very good. I hope there is nothing I did not mention the name. Okay, this what's it called, mascara, God help me, this mascara is from Kiss Beauty. There are a lot of mascaras out there. Then you can get yourself a brow trimmer or a hair wax if you didn't have anyone for your eyebrows. Okay, I just hope that is all you need as a beginner. You don't need to struggle to go and start buying all those expensive things. Okay, these things are just listed now will go a long way for you if you're just starting your makeup. Okay, so I hope you just find this video very helpful, and if you do, please drop it in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to always subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video, and keep supporting me, keep sharing my videos. I love you all. Thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye.